Hi, my name is Aditi Tyagi, and in the light of UN's campaign called 16 Days of Activism Against Gender Based Violence, I am here to give my views on it, especially coming from an Indian society. I believe that gender based violence and all female or women related issues are deeply enrooted in our society specifically, and most of the cases here go unreported. Either the person who faces it does not report them to the police or does not ask for help, and they just, they just go through it and get over it. Or even if somebody tries to reach out to some authority for help, they mostly just listen. It's okay, it's your family, just move on, it's okay, get used to it, forgive them, it happens. I am tired of listening to the sentence "it happens." It's wrong that it happens. We should stop it from happening, not be okay with it and say it happens. Parental pressure on a woman to maintain a good relationship with her husband and his family is extreme in the Indian society. Especially in Indian household, what happens is once you tie knot with a person, you are you actually are committed not just to him, to his entire family for the rest of your life. And parents nowadays are actually scared of marrying their daughter, by the thought of marrying their daughter. What if she gets married into the wrong house, or has some problem with somebody of their household, and is as if she's entrapped there for the rest of her life, as if there's no out once she gets in. And it's the fear that is instilled in the girl's mind and in the family's mind, that what will happen. All women related issues in India, especially female feticide, sexual harassment, gender based violence, they're all interconnected. If uprooting even one of it will eventually lead to the uprootment of others. All we need to do is take a step forward. If not, we're not accountable for what the entire world does, but we're actually accountable for what we do, what the people around us do. So just take a small step. You take the step. Just change the ways that you act. Change the ways the people around you act. Influence them to do something different, and it will actually result in a very big change in